In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a GIF from Reddit. This is a quick and simple process, but there are a few small details that can make it smoother, especially if you're new to Reddit or using a browser you're not familiar with. First, open Reddit in your web browser and navigate to the post that contains the GIF you want to save. You can get there by scrolling through your feed, using the search bar, or clicking through a subreddit. Once you've found the post, click on it so that it opens fully. This helps make sure you're actually interacting with the GIF itself, and not just a small preview in your feed. Now that the post is open, move your mouse over the GIF. You should see it playing right there in the post. The next step is to right-click on the GIF. If you're on a computer with a mouse, that means pressing the right mouse button. If you're on a laptop trackpad, you can usually right-click by tapping with 2 fingers or by pressing the bottom right corner of the trackpad, depending on your settings. When you right-click on the GIF, a small menu will pop up. In that menu, look for an option that says something like Save Image As. In many browsers, this is a standard option you'll use. Click on that. A file window will appear, asking where you want to save the GIF on your computer. Choose a folder that you'll remember later, such as your Downloads folder or a special folder for images or memes. You can also rename the file at this point to something more meaningful, so it's easier to find later. Make sure the file type is a GIF, then click the Save button. Once it's saved, you can open the folder you chose and double-click the file to check that it downloaded correctly and that it plays as expected. From there, you can share it with friends, add it to a presentation, or use it anywhere that supports GIF files. And that's all there is to it. Open the Reddit post with the GIF, right-click on it, and save it to your computer.